Evening, everybody. Like I said, I would come back and show you to put in the eyelets. Okay, so I just measured where the loops would be and I just pinned them. I did make a skinnier piece. I'm still gonna have to kind of push it through, but it's the best I could get. This was an inch and an inch wide, and then I probably sewed it a little more than a 1/4 inch all the way down. And then I used my loop turner to bring it to the right side. Now I will have to tuck in my ends and just tack them down or something. Okay, I got the tool to make the hole in the fabric. Now, this is not a fun machine. I'm going to tell you that right now. Kind of show you. You figure out where you want your hole. And then you really have to, till it clicks. Oh, it didn't. Yeah, it did. It clicked. Okay. And that makes the hole in the material. And I tried it with double thickness and it does work. You just have to really push down. And then you're gonna get your little eyelet. Oh, I dropped it. Hold on. And you put that in the material, the right side. Then you get your other tool, which has like a little nipple and then just a flat surface. So where the nipple is, that's where you put that end piece. And you squeeze down. And then you have your grommet or your eyelet in there. So I'm gonna do the shirt. If my wrist can't take it, I'm gonna have to have my husband poke through the material for me. And then I'll thread this through. Like I said, I'll probably have to use like tweezers or something to get it started to go through, maybe. No, okay, so there it is. And I'll just lace up my shirt and then I'll come back and show you the finished result. Now on my shirt, I'm gonna go about, let's see, about a 1/4 inch in, because I think an 1/8 is, I'd rather just do a 1/4. So I'll do my holes, 3 holes this way, 3 holes this way, and then I'll lace it up and I'll come back and show you. Okay, I'll show you how I do one. So you take your puncher and the size you need, and I've marked this. It's right there. and you clip through your material. Okay, then you get your eyelet and you put it in the hole. Oop. Then you take the other tool, and the part with the nipple, you want it on here. Okay, and squeeze down. Okay, so there's my eyelets on. So let me lace this up. Okay, everybody, here's the close-up. And I got them all on. Now I can just tie it or leave it down. Okay, so I finished the shirt. So there it is. And there's another close-up of the eyelets. Okay. So that'd be just the little part too. Sorry, my hair's a mess. I was out filling in holes from, we had to dig a trench for our piping, and I'm just not brushed hair or anything, but oh well. I wanted to get this done tonight to show you. So what I used was, this is called a rotary hole punch. And it does 6 different sizes. Pretty small, like 2.0 millimeters all the way up to 4.5 millimeters. And you can buy extra little tips for it if you need bigger ones. I got this at Hobby Lobby. It was $7.49. And then this is the 2-in-1, which I also got at Hobby Lobby. And this does the eyelet and the snaps. So it comes with, these are for the snaps, and then, I don't know, I'll grab it here. Okay, or these are for the eyelet, and these are for the snaps. And then they just screw onto your handle when you're not using them, the one set. And I can't remember, I think this was like $9.99. Yeah, $9.99. So that's what I got. And you just have to buy, this came with some snaps and eyelets, but if I went to buy bigger ones, oops, I just opened up the package, and it didn't come with a tool. So you have to be sure you have the tool. Now I bought some for my husband for his canvas for the boat, and it did come with the anvil and the punch and all that. Or not the punch, but the hammering part. So you just have to watch what you're getting. So I don't need those because I don't have the right anvil to use up for those. But oh well, it is what it is, right? Okay, so that's it. If I can help anybody with any of the patterns, please just message me, and I will try to help you as best as I can. Don't forget the special video for the free pattern for July. That's coming up real soon. So in that video, in that comment, please just type me, and I'll put your name in the basket, and then we'll do a drawing. I have to make a couple pairs of pajama pants for my daughter. So I still have my gauze material over there that I have to make a shirt. So I will do that on video. But this is the material I got for her. She loves cats. She's getting another kitten in a few days. So I got this. And then for fall, she likes Halloween. But Hobby Lobby really doesn't carry Halloween fabric. They carry fall fabric. So I'll have to go someplace else and find her like skulls and, you know, all that stuff for Halloween. But so I got those, and I am doing the ones I just did with the gnomes, the bee gnomes or whatever. So that pattern's on a video if you want to watch that. So that's it for tonight. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, thumbs up. The channel is growing and I'm really excited about it. So please share with your friends. Maybe you can all get together and have a friends night of sewing. You know, it's like the old time, you know, all the ladies got together and did quilts. You know, maybe friends know a little bit more, a little bit less. You may be able to learn from each other. It's just a nice way to get together with, you know, your girlfriends and so. Okay, but you all have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.